What's the meaning of colleen? Colleen. Colleen.
Colleen. Colleen. Colleen is a feminine given name of Irish origin. It means girl or young woman in Gaelic. The name became popular in the early 20th century in America due to the cultural fascination with Irish heritage and culture. Colleens have been associated with traditional Irish events, such as St. Patrick's Day parades. In modern times, colleen is rarely used as a name but might be used to describe a young woman of Irish descent or for the title of a literary work or song.